Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be discussing about how to cancel Proton VPN subscription. So let's just say you availed one of the offer that we are currently providing. In our description you can head over to the link in the description to get 64% off on these paid plans, as you can see right in front of me. Now how do you access it? Really simple. From Proton landing page www.protonvpn.com, you need to click onto this get Proton VPN option. Then you need to be selecting VPN Plus and Proton Unlimited. You can see these are the paid plans. Now to cancel it, let's just say you were subscribed to this VPN Plus plan, it is automatically going to be showing you cancel subscription offer in the same exact area. So using that you can cancel it, and it is actually pretty easy. But do not forget to get that 64% off onto your plans if you are willing to use paid plans on Proton VPN.